This is Dr. Arshad Ali Bhutto, postgraduate training FCPS medicine. In this lecture, I will tell you the clinical significance of the cough. Cough is a very important clinical symptom with which patient pay a visit to the doctor, and most often doctor encounter with this complaint as well. Do you know that just from the pattern of the cough, you can identify the pathology of the respiratory system, that where it is present. Just from the pattern of the cough, just from the sound of the cough. So what is the cough? Cough is actually the protective response given by body in order to clear the irritant present within the respiratory system. This forceful sound is produced from the alveoli. From the alveoli, it is transmitted into the small bronchioles, then medium bronchioles, then large bronchioles, then trachea, oropharynx, mouth, and into the environment. So simply you can also call it as the vomiting of the respiratory system. As I told you that just from the pattern of the cough, you can identify the pathology present within the respiratory system. Now, whenever there is the inflammation of the alveoli, or whenever there is the inflammatory condition in the tissue surrounding the alveoli, that is the interstitium, so the cough pattern will be different. For example, in case of pulmonary fibrosis, in case of pneumonia, in case of pulmonary edema, in case of interstitial lung disease, the patient cough would have typical sound. Let me demonstrate you. Patient will cough like this. So this is the typical sound produced whenever there is the inflammation in the alveoli or the surrounding tissue. We are well known about the COPD. COPD is actually the pathology of the small bronchioles. So whenever there is the pathology of small bronchioles, patient would have the typical sound like this. So this is the typical sound produced within the COPD. And asthma, we know that in the asthma, there is the pathology of the medium bronchioles. The patient will, before cough, the patient will take deep inspiration and will cough like this. And whenever there is the inflammation of the upper respiratory, that is the oropharynx, the patient will just have the single bout of the cough, and before that cough, patient will take deep inspiration like this. So is it not interesting that just from the pattern of the cough, you can identify the pathology present within the respiratory system? Thank you.